In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Adobe Creative Cloud All Apps Subscription 2025. Open your preferred web browser and search for Adobe Creative Cloud. From the results, go to the official Adobe Creative Cloud page for professional creative software. This is the hub for all of Adobe's creative apps under one subscription. Before you dive in, glance at the top of the page to confirm your region and language so you see the correct pricing and available payment options. On the Creative Cloud page, click Start Free Trial. Don't worry, the free trial button takes you into the subscription flow where you'll confirm your plan and payment. You'll be able to review the terms before completing the purchase, including any trial period and when billing begins. Take a moment to read those details so there are no surprises later. Next, choose your plan. Select the All Apps option if you want the full collection of Adobe's creative tools. You may see variations like annual billed monthly, prepaid annual, or monthly. Pick what best fits your budget and commitment. If you qualify for special pricing such as student or teacher discounts, make sure your selection reflects that. Click Continue. You may land on a summary or recommendation screen. Click Continue again to proceed. This confirmation step lets you double-check the plan, price, and billing cadence. If something looks off, use the back option to adjust before moving forward. Now choose your payment method. Depending on your region, you'll typically see options like credit or debit card and sometimes additional methods. Enter your card number exactly as it appears, then add the expiration month and year. Type the card security code from the back or front of your card. Make sure your first and last name match what your bank has on file to avoid verification issues. If a billing address field appears, ensure it matches your card's billing address. Accuracy here helps prevent declined payments later. Click Continue to verification. Your bank may ask you to authenticate the purchase via a one-time passcode, a banking app, or an SMS. Keep your phone nearby and complete that prompt right away so the payment can be approved. Proceed through the next screens until you see the subscribe button. This is your final review. Confirm the plan, price, billing frequency, and start date, then click subscribe to finish. You should see a confirmation on screen and, shortly after, receive a receipt by email. That's it. You've successfully purchased Adobe Creative Cloud All Apps.